Hello, friends. Today is our Class 10, and we're going to learn about the Group Selection tool in Adobe Illustrator.
The Group Selection tool is used when you want to select a specific object inside a group without selecting the entire group.
This tool is found under the Direct Selection tool. It looks like a white arrow with a small plus sign. Shortcut key is A. Same as the Direct Selection tool, you can switch between them by clicking multiple times. If you have several objects grouped together using Object to Group, normally clicking once will select the whole group. But with the Group Selection tool, you can select one or more objects inside that group. The first click selects one object. The second click selects its subgroup, and the third click selects the entire group. If you have 3 shapes grouped together and you only want to change the color of one shape, use the Group Selection tool to select that single shape and change its color without ungrouping. This tool is very useful for precise editing, especially when working on complex designs or grouped logos.